Yeah, how you doing? Alright, stop. What are you doing, okay? You're 27 years old, you're sad. You're getting high and drunk every day at your mother's house. We're making some hummus for you, okay? We're just gonna make it at my mom's house. That's what we're doing. Knock it off, okay? Get off your Game Boy, get off your video games. That's what we're doing. Okay, let's go. Okay, Slim Boy, here's a couple of things you need, alright? You got your chickpeas, your lemon juice, your cumin, your salt, olive oil, garlic, tahini. Instead of tahini today, alright? Got a whole geschmorgen of peanut butter. Whole geschmorgen of peanut butter, you know? Yeah, hummus. Boom. Not saying this is traditional, not even a bit. I had never done this in my life, you know. Every time's different. Peanut butter, not tahini. The chili, not regulatory. The pepper, didn't even mention that in the things. I got a list of things right here. Boom. People also talk about the chickpeas. You gotta take the skins off, you know, the little skins. That's crazy. What do you even, it's fine. It's nutrients. Tahini. That's gonna be peanut butter today. Oh yeah, yeah. Not even real lemon. It's real lemon. Juice in. I'm just eyeballing it, okay? You're gonna taste it later. You got your salt, boom. Pepper, why not, you know? Can you see that? Can you see that in there? Boom, boom. You make a bit of a mess. Mom's not here. The olive oil comes straight from Italy. That's where I'm from. Just kidding. Boom, chickpeas. Chili pepper. You spend dollars on hummus at the store. The red Russian garlic. It's delicious. Boom. Get it in ya. Boom. Quit measuring. Just kidding. Scientists keep measuring. Boom. Chickpeas. Boom. Salt. You need to pack it all up. Zoom it on in. Zoom, boom. You get that nice, saucy, creamy, melt in your mouth kind of hummus. Yeah, so you're thinking, how's any girl gonna love ya? When you're making a hummus like this, it's gonna be no problem. It's so easy, so good, so f***ing good. Make some hummus for yourself, at least, you know? Johnny out. Yeah, I'm Uncle Donnie. I'm Uncle Mike. Yeah, it's Uncle Mike. What are you doing? The hummus. So easy to be like me, you know, in my mama's house. Alright? It's not a big deal. You're gonna find what you need. Stay tuned. Feel good. Make some hummus. Hummus.